So in this video, we'll compare exploding topics and vidIQ to help you decide which tool will give you the edge in finding what's trending. And hey, I've got links in the description if you want to dive right in. First up, exploding topics. This tool is like having a crystal ball for emerging trends. It's perfect for marketers, entrepreneurs, and investors who want to stay ahead of the curve. Exploding Topics specializes in finding trends 12 plus months before they become mainstream. It scans millions of data points across the web, from blog posts and forums to social media and news articles. Whether it's tech, health, fashion, or fitness, this tool covers a wide range of industries. With Exploding Topics, you don't just see what's trending now. You get early trend detection, trend analysis, and instant alerts when new trends are about to take off. You also get deep insights into growth patterns, search metrics, and even channel-specific data. And with their trend forecasting feature, you can look into the future and see what next year's trends might be using cutting-edge machine learning. Exploding Topics offers a free plan to get started, giving you a taste of what's possible. For more advanced features, they have paid plans. The Entrepreneur plan at $39 a month, the Investor at $99, and Business at $249. These plans offer more trends to track, more in-depth analyses, and additional features like CSV export and API access. Now, let's talk about vidIQ. This tool is a powerhouse for YouTube creators. If you want to find trending videos, optimize your content, and boost your channel's performance, vidIQ is the go-to tool. It helps you discover what's trending on YouTube by showing you the most popular videos, tags, and topics. You can see which videos are gaining the most views, which keywords are trending, and what's hot in your niche. vidIQ offers several plans to suit different needs. vidIQ Basic, vidIQ is free plan, perfect for new YouTube users with under 1,000 subscribers. It provides essential tools like the vidIQ scorecard for video analytics, a channel audit to assess performance, a video optimization checklist, daily ideas with up to 3 content suggestions, and competitor tracking for up to 3 competitors. It also includes basic video analytics, real-time stats, and access to vidIQ Academy for tutorials. Boost plan. For those who want more advanced features, the Boost plan costs $19 per month with a monthly subscription, or $16.58 per month if paid yearly. It includes enhanced analytics, more daily ideas, and advanced competitor tracking. Coaching plan. If you're serious about growing your channel, the coaching plan offers personalized guidance. It's available for $199 per month on a monthly basis, or $99 per month if paid yearly. vidIQ Enterprise. Designed for large businesses, agencies, or organizations that need advanced features, more user accounts, and detailed analytics. Pricing for this plan is available upon request. So which one's for you? If you're looking to spot trends early across various industries and want to stay ahead of the curve, Exploding Topics is your game changer. If you're focused on YouTube and want to find what's trending in videos, optimize your content, and grow your channel, vidIQ is your go-to. It's decision time. Pick the tool that matches your goals, get started, and start making smarter decisions. Links are in the description. Click sign up and stay ahead of the curve. Did you find value from this video? Smash that like button and hit subscribe. See you in the next one.